Here are basic commands that we can utilize on Run tool for speed and simplicity. Open Run with keyboard shortcut, that's Win plus R. If we type calc, it opens calculator. If we type notepad, it opens notepad. If we type in explorer, it will open file explorer. mspaint opens Microsoft Paint. msedge opens Microsoft Edge. winword opens Microsoft Word. Excel opens Microsoft Excel. powerpnt opens Microsoft PowerPoint. And if we write fonts, it opens installed fonts folder. As we have seen earlier, CMD opens command prompt as a default user. And if we write task mgr, it opens task manager. By the way, I have already published a video on ultimate guide on task manager that you can watch in my channel. And if we write shutdown and then R, it shuts down the PC and then restarts it. But if we write shutdown S, it shuts it down. If we write with L, it logs off the current user.